Today we are discussing question and answer for AWS Cloud Practitioner CLF. You can download the complete list of AWS based questions from the link provided in the description. Next question is, explain the concept of elastic load balancing ELB in AWS. Correct answer is elastic load balancing automatically distributes incoming applications traffic across multiple targets such as EC2 instances, containers, and IP addresses in multiple availability zones. It helps achieve fault tolerance and high availability for your applications by seamlessly handling incoming traffic. Next question is, how does AWS Lambda pricing work? Correct answer is AWS Lambda pricing is based on the number of requests and the duration your code executes. You pay only for the compute time you consume in increments of 100 milliseconds. There are no charges when your code is not running. Next question is, what are the benefits of using Amazon Route 53? Correct answer is Amazon Route 53 is a scalable and highly available domain name system DNS web service. Benefits include domain registration, register and manage domain names, DNS routing, route and end users to internet applications, health checking, monitor the health of your application and endpoints, traffic flow, control global traffic routing using latency based routing, geolocation routing and more. Question is, how does AWS handle data transfer costs between different regions? Correct answer is data transfer costs between AWS regions are generally charged at regular data transfer rates. You can reduce costs by using AWS Direct Connect, which provides dedicated network connections between your on-premises network and AWS data transfer within the same region or between availability zones is generally free. Next question is, what is AWS CloudTrail used for? Correct answer is AWS CloudTrail records API calls made on your account and delivers log files to an Amazon S3 bucket. It enables governance, compliance, and operational and risk auditing of your AWS account. CloudTrail logs can be used for security analysis, resource change tracking, and troubleshooting. Next question is, how can you optimize costs in AWS? Correct answer is, you can optimize costs in AWS by right sizing. Choose instance type and size based on workload requirements. Reserved instances. Purchasing reserved instances for predictable workloads to save costs. Monitoring and alerts. Using AWS Cost Explorer and AWS budgets to monitor spending and set alerts. Auto scaling, automatically adjusting resources to match demand, thereby reducing over provisioning.